Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off ad blocker on Chrome mobile. First of all, you can open the Chrome browser icon already open. After opening the browser, you can just simply tap on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on content settings, and now you can see the option block pop-ups at the top of the screen, and here you can just simply disable this option. After disable the block pop-ups option, you can disable the ad blocker option because the working is same, and it is a way you can turn off ad blocker on Chrome mobile if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.